Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I'm going to be doing the trailer for the Willys Jeep. Now that the Jeep is completed, wrong with shoulders on, there it is, sat on its shelf. Now this Jeep is going to be, this trailer, there we go, that's stage 85. Stage 84 and 85 are just the sides of the trailer. Now the parts are metal, the base, that is the base there, that is plastic. Well, the rest is metal and it's going to look awesome. I'll show you the axle. There we go, there's the axle. So you get an idea how big it is. So I think I'm going to have a separate shelf for this. Where that shelf's going to be, I do not know. But anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, we have stage 84. We have trailer side panel left, upper side panel left, tap, hooks and FP screws. There we go, those are the parts. That is solid metal, that. The tap hooks, the plastic, and they will fit along here. There's 4 of these, of course. They are keel shaped. Just press them into place like that, and then this panel we put on this side. It will fit just there like that, and we capture the tap hooks with FP screws from this side. There we go. So just get the tap hooks in place, and then we can screw it all together. That one goes there, and one there. You may have to clear some of these holes as well. I think there's some flash on them, and the last one will go to there like that. So that's the tap hooks. Okay, now we've got the screws out. Put this piece just there like that. Yeah, so it matches up perfectly like that. This little tap keeps falling out, so I'm going to screw this one in first. There we go, that looks perfect like that. Looking cool. Yeah, that little tap hook, it was a little bit awkward, but it's all in place. Excellent. Right, let's move on to stage 85. Okay, now we have stage 85. We have the trailer side panel right and upper side panel right and tap hooks. 85C with FP screws. There we go, those are the parts. Tap hooks again. Flip this panel over. Just check them again, make sure that they fit. You might find some flash on them, you might not, but it's best to check them, make sure they go in place, and then we can pop the other panel on and screw them all together. These seem to be going on fine. There we go. Yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah, one's fallen out, never mind, it doesn't matter. But this panel, as you can see, has got an arrow on it, will fit just there. Get this situated correctly like that. And now we can start putting the screws in place. FP screws again. There we go, that's the right side. And the tap hooks look perfectly good. Excellent. Right, let's move on to stage 86. Here we have stage 86, we have trailer front panel and 1 tap hook. There we go, that's the panel, all metal of course. There's the tap hook. This one has a location peg, so that will sit just there like that. And we keep that together with a CP screw. There we go, so that's the front panel. Yeah, stage 86, let's move on to 87. And here we have stage 87, we have trailer rear panel, 1 tap hook. There we go, those are the parts. Again, put the tap hook, which has a location peg, just there like that. Flip that over and connect it with a CP screw. There we go, that's the rear panel. Excellent. Right, that's stage 87. Let's move on to stage 88. There we go, that's stage 88. 88A is trailer floor panel, 88B is reflector frames, and then we have the reflectors. We have AM, YM and QP screws. Okay, so those are the parts. That's the floor. We've got the reflectors and all the screws. Now, we need this piece, which is 86A. That will situate itself there like so. We also need 84, which will go just there like so. and we need to connect these two panels with YM screws. Same with the other panel, this panel here. Right, so I need to get the YM screws out. Okay, so we line these two up and we get the YM screw in. There we go. That'll keep them two together. And now we need this piece from 85. Put that there. And again we need to connect it with another YM screw. There we go. 2 YM screws. And then 3 panels and that floor in place. Okay, now we can get this panel in place. That will situate itself just there like that, and again a couple of more YM screws. You may have to move the floor out of the way because it does sit on top of all of this. There we go. Press the floor back down. Excellent. Right, we need to fix the floor with QP screws. Okay, let's get the floor in place. Flip that over. 4 QP screws. There we go. That's the floor in place. Looking just like that. Right, we need the reflector frames in place now. These we use these little double AM screws. So these are 88B and they fit here just like that. And there's one here and one there and one round the other side. One double AM screw. There we go, that's all 4 in place, looking just like that. Right, we can put the reflectors in now. There we go, they should just drop in. If they don't drop in or stay in, you can use some canopy glue to hold them in place, because it does dry clear. There we go, there are some little notches on these that should enable it to sit in and stay in. But there we go, that's them two. There we go. Excellent, there we go, that's stage 88 completed. Looking cool. Okay, now we have stage 89. We have the trailer frame, trailer tail light cup left and bracket left, cup right and bracket right, cover left shot, sorry, cover right, lens left and lens right, and we have the wire. There we go, that'll hook up to the Jeep. And we have FMDM CP screws. There we go, those are the parts. Move these to one side, they're left and right, those are screws. First thing we need to do is to pop this cable, these LEDs along here, yeah, they need to come out here. So we need to fish one through here and the other one through the other side, along there, like that. Get them out, run them along these channels like so, and then we can pop this onto the bottom of the trailer. So I'll get all this sorted and then I may even tape them down, but that's where they're supposed to go, like that. Okay, let's get this sorted now. There's a hole there and a hole there, notch there, notch there. That's where they go, like that. And then if you have a look on this side, you can see the 2 LEDs come here and they come out there. Right. Okay, I popped a little bit of tape there and there so I keep away from them screw points there. Now we need the bottom of the trailer so we can get that lined up like that. There we go. Have these leads popping out there. Yeah, and now we can screw it together. We need FM screws. Now this is a tight fit all the way around, so make sure you don't get the leads trapped or whatever you do. Yeah, just press it down. There we go, until you're happy with it. Well, there we go, let's try that. Right, get the FM screws in place now. There we go, that's all 4 screws in place. Right, now we need to make up the lights. Now this is the left light. We need to put the lens in here. The relevant parts do have L on them, so you can't get them mixed up. That presses in there like that, and this piece doesn't have an L on it because it's the same as the other one. You can see there's a peg broke off there already, but it does press into place just there like that. And then the bracket on the back, well, yeah, one hole is bigger than the other, so sorry, that's the right way around, like that. And we need to fix that in place with a CP screw. There you go, and just make sure the holes line up with each other, and 1 CP screw. Put that on the trailer in a minute. Right, let's make up the other light. This is the clear lens. This is for the right side. That pops into there. You can see this one has got 2 pegs, and we'll snap into place just there, hopefully. I think one is bigger than the other. Oh, they look the same, but yeah, that is the right way around as well. They are offset from the middle, so from the centre of the, there we go, excellent. And then we want this piece over the top. Again, 1 more CP screw. There we go. Now we can pop these onto the trailer now. There we go. That's how they should be, right and left, or left and right. Okay, now we got the trailer. We can pop the right one on first. That one will go into there. There is a location peg. We'll hold that like that. We'll put the LED in a minute because it just gets in the way of screwing it into place. 1 DM screw. There we go. Pop the LED into there as far as that will go. Snuggle the rest into the trailer. There we go. Right, let's do this side. Again, 1 location peg and 1 DM screw. There we go. Pop the LED into its housing. There we go. Excellent. There's that rear light. There we go. They all light up nicely because we know the Jeep works fine. All the electronics work. So excellent. There we go. So that is stages 84 to 89 complete. There we go, folks. That's the start of the trailer. Yeah, it won't be long before we finish it. That's looking cool. And then we can get the there's a gun as well. I'm not sure if it's an anti-aircraft gun, but yeah, there's a field gun anyway, at least, to make up as well. Well, that's looking cool. Excellent. There we go. I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, give us a nice big thumbs up, and hopefully I'll catch you next time. So thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.